This special day, I bow to the Buddha and I say, long live the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, long live resistance, and long live hope. I'm delighted and grateful for these efforts being made under the leadership of Kinchi and my friend Buntan to revive the spirit of people's plan for the 21st century. I think in 1990s, late 80s, we were more hopeful of democracies, of our constitutions, of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, but I feel we have seen that our leaders represent 1% of our populations, and 99% of the people are not their concern. So I'm really grateful. I agree with and endorse everything every speaker has said. And I think we should really decide how we take this forward. I think today I'm totally clear. In 1980, maybe I was willing to give them a chance. I'm totally clear that the present economic paradigm is totally destructive for climate, for human beings, for equality, for hope. It is greed-based, and greed which is unlimited. It will never be fulfilled. And we have enough wisdom from Gandhi, from Mao Zedong, from all other people. And I think now we should not waste any time about trying to see that maybe this paradigm will work. Maybe globalization will work. If capitalism hasn't worked in the US, how can it work anywhere else? Please tell me. So let's give up the hope. And I think what we need most today are alliances of hope, alliances of resistance, alliances of inclusion. And I think what we need most is also that we work on our insides. I think the problem with many of us has been that we have been working only on the outside. And I think on this day of the Buddha, we need to realize that unless activists work as much on their insides, and unless we also practice the notion of radical love and radical compassion, only political actions will not help. We have seen it in the past when political revolutions have changed systems within 20 years. The revolutionaries started looking like the dictators they threw out because there was no work inside. That's all I'll say. And I'm delighted to see the young leaders from Thailand and other places. So let's continue our efforts. We have nothing to lose but our chains. So let's continue. Thank you very much.